Natural and man-made features. A topo sheet may contain man-made as well as natural features like temple, mosque, well, post office, police station, tank, waterfall, stony waste, rock outcrop, sand dunes, depressions, etc. Some of these like temple, mosque, well, tank, post office, police station, etc. are man-made features, whereas waterfalls, stony waste, rock outcrop, sand dunes, depressions, etc. are natural features. To make things more clear, let's go through a topo sheet. Look at village Vahan, located at 1923. The village has temples as indicated by conventional symbols. Post office written as PO. A dispensary. All these are man-made features. Let's see another sheet to find natural features on that. See this region from northing 77 to 85 and easting 73 to 83 carefully. You can see a number of sand dunes on topo sheet as shown by conventional symbol. These dunes are marked with relative height such as 15 R, 18 R, 32 R, etc., which indicates that sand dunes have relative height of 15 meters, 18 meters, and 32 meters respectively. You can also see depressions marked on the sheet at grid 8274 and 8375. Triangulated height is also marked on sheet at 168 and 169 with its conventional symbols. Triangulated height is a height of a place which has been calculated using trigonometry, represented by a small triangle. Example 540. Can you see a tree drawn near figure 178 at grid 8473? This is a prominent surveyed tree. Now locate River Banas on the topo sheet and follow its path. Can you find its direction of flow? Yes, an arrow marked at grid 0083 indicates that the direction of its flow is from east to west. The figure marked as 13R, 8R, and 10R shows its relative depth. You can also find some other symbols along its riverbank. Look at grid 8881 carefully. From these symbols, we can say that the river is with island and rocks. Besides the tiny black curved lines on grid 84 83 indicate broken ground which is caused due to water erosion or weathering or by river floods. Other features like stony waste, sheet rock, and rock outcrop are also shown on the topo sheet. Rock outcrop is a portion of a rock jutting above the surface of the earth. Sheet rock are large areas of rock where the overlying soil layers have been eroded and removed due to mechanical weathering. Stony waste is a large area in arid or semi-arid regions where the finer sand or soil has blown away, leaving a surface covered with boulders, stones, and pebbles. To understand more clearly, let's observe a topo sheet. Look carefully at this topo sheet. See grid 0526. Here you can see a rock outcrop, which represents non-cultivable land usually found in semi-arid regions. Let's move to grid 0826. You can observe a sheet rock here. Now let's see another feature, that is stony waste. Look at grid 0918. Can you find stony waste area here? Thus, all these features indicate rough topography here, which means area is semi-arid and non-cultivable. These features also indicate that weathering is very prominent in this region.